Hi, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today we're going to replace the belt clamps on the Core XY unit on the Prusa XL. It's printed initially in PETG material, but if the temperature inside the enclosure gets too hot, more than 45 degrees centigrade, etc., those will get weak and will melt. So I just printed two new ones with polycarbonate carbon fiber, and we're going to replace those right now. Okay, so the first thing we do is we just take the cover off, and there are the two belt clamps, and we're going to release those. These are Torx drive. So I put a towel down here in case I drop something. I want to protect the print bed. These are pretty long screws. I will have to tension up the belt again after we install this. The screws are down, and the other one, the screws are up. To make installation easier on the polycarbonate printed pieces, just take a 3mm drill and just drill out those holes. It'll make it so much nicer because now the screws go in and out easily, which is really the way they're intended. Okay, the first thing you want to do is loosen these screws, which take the tension off the belt, makes it really loose, because that'll allow you to basically bring the belts together, all the way together, when you put on the new belt clamps. And you see when you take these apart that the belt goes all the way to the line, to the midline. So put the first belt on, connect it here, and then push the second belt in so they'll be in perfect condition, perfect position. The shiny ones are the PETG, the dull ones are the polycarbonate carbon fiber. So there I have the belt on the polycarbonate carbon fiber clicked into place. Now I'm going to connect this one, and we'll push the other belt in so it just touches it, and they'll be in perfect condition, perfect position. We got one in. We'll push the other one in, basically till it stops, which is there. Get that screw started, tightened up. So here I connected that one, pushed this one all the way until it stopped, and we'll tighten this screw. So they're both in good position now. Now we'll still have to adjust the tension. So these need to be strongly tightened, but not over tightened. Okay. Let's put the cover on, secure it nicely. There it is. It should just pop on just like that. And now we'll do the adjustment. So to adjust the tension, we need to tighten these again, which is a 2.5mm hex. Get both basically so they're exactly the same. Check the carriage, and if this was helpful, click thumbs up, consider subscribing. Adventures with Dr. Joe. Thank you.